It's good to listen someone compare in English that too for Telangana meetings. A very pleasant afternoon to all the dignitaries on the dais and should I say agitators or relieved agitators after getting a statehood. That it's glad to have a bright smile, but of course with many doubts which we have to answer. And probably one such meeting, because 4 years of agitation, of Telangana agitation, which we have been onto the streets for one cause, one statehood, and probably we are showing through this meeting that yes, there are still many things unanswered, there are many still works which have to be done, and one such meeting is today. So firstly, I would appreciate the JNTU students, because as Osmania University students also we haven't done on what kind of resurrection or reconstruction we have to do for the Telangana statehood. So, by this program, which means JNTU students have taken ahead of Osmania University students, because mostly Osmania University students are rather busy on the streets fighting out with the cops, which we have seen a couple of days back also. Many students have taken their brutalities on lots of implications and complications and controversies and conspiracies against Telangana being done on the name of Samaikandra. So today, their topic says the reconstruction of Telangana or resurrection. But I would say that first we have to save the sinking engineering stream of Telangana, because instead of reconstructing, first they have to protect their stream. Here we are seeing what is happening to the engineering stream, say because of the corporatization and the polarization of education, which is not in the hands of Telangana people. Today, if Seemandhra corporatization, their education system, because how we are seeing on a loot, not only in Hyderabad but also in the education stream. Today, if someone is trying to stop Telangana, of course, thanks to the massive mass agitation and of course the successful lobbying of many politicians of Telangana, we have got our Telangana state. But there is still an attempt by many forces to stop Telangana, or at least to snatch away Hyderabad. One such is the media and the mass media, the film industry, and one more stream is the education stream. Many education streams which have set up their hub in Hyderabad, say engineering or medicine. We are knowing what is happening in medicine, what is the seat price of a medicine. In the same way, how education on one side is trying to make up money, and at the same time many others, say 75% of engineering colleges are being shut down. And we have to see whose colleges are those. The one which are being shut down are one side of Telangana people, and one which are doing a propaganda that they are #1 colleges and they are giving maximum jobs. They are of the Seemandhra people. So which means a media propaganda which is pushing up them. If we try to save them, because today we are seeing engineering, they are struggling. Before getting into engineering, they are struggling for an MSET course. And in that MSET course, if they make up a seat, well and good, fine, they may go into a better college. But if not, they will have to go for a long-term coaching and again try to search for a college. And if they end up finishing in 75 to 80%, and if that college is not good, the student will have to find a job only in a call center. Which means, first try save the sinking ship of the engineering stream, and then probably we can reconstruct the entire Telangana. There are many dignitaries who are going to talk about the irrigation projects and electricity projects on all the streams, what the technicalities are, the figures are. Today, we can just say, I would complete it short by just telling 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, which is a hypothesis proven obviously mathematically. Today, if our justified statement that Telangana is ours and Hyderabad ours, we have the figures which are being given by engineers and all different streams. So which means we have a justified hypothesis that Hyderabad is ours, why we have been demolished, why we have been destructed, say in water, say in irrigation, say in jobs, say in employment, government, private or anything. Definitely, tomorrow's Telangana, everyone is so mature enough and so educated enough that definitely we will protect the entire Telangana, and as students and as educated students, as technical students,
I will surely see that Telangana would definitely be the #1 state in information and communication technologies with the development of ICTs. Because if we are seeing what some cyber city has done, Cyberabad has done, a dark shutdown place of entire mortality, which Chandrababu Naidu says that he has done something for the Telangana people, which is completely zero. Still Telangana people are going only towards darkness, and if we have to loot it, definitely people from Telangana will go into that cyber city and make Telangana presence in it, and all those, let it be Microsoft or Google or anything, there's a long and lying, a manipulation of propaganda that Samay Canara people or whatever it is, that Hyderabad brand effect is damaging. So it is the responsibility we have to go today. We have to take a promise today that engineering department or all the budding engineers and the tech savvies will see that Hyderabad band again revolves and Telangana be the #1 state. Thank you everyone for giving me an opportunity.